Good morning, students. Students, in chapter number 13 of our course book, that is All the World is a Stage, in this chapter, in exercise, we are given exercise of 3 perfect continuous tenses. They are present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous tense. The other name of that continuous we can say progressive. First, in this video we are going to study present perfect progressive tense. It means present perfect continuous tense. Already tenses we studied in 6th standard and in this year also many videos have been uploaded. Now, as a part of chapter number 13 grammar, we will understand present perfect progressive tense or present perfect continuous tense. Students, the use of present perfect progressive tense is to express an action that started in the past and continuing up to present. I repeat, the use of present perfect continuous tense is to express the action that started in the past and continuing up to present, or the action that started in the past and progressive in present. So see the use, the action started in the past and continuing up to present. To describe such action we use present perfect progressive tense. Students, now see the sentence structure. As it is continuous tense, so we have to use main verb with ing form. As I have taught you tenses, and in tenses I have told you in 6 continuous tenses: present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. In these 6 continuous tenses, we use verb with ing. Now see the sentence structure of present perfect continuous tense or present perfect progressive tense. First, subject. After subject, have or has. After subject, have or has. After that, V3 of be, that is been. After been, verb with ing, then other words and full stop. Sorry. See the sentence structure. First, subject. After subject, helping verbs have or has. Then been. Then verb with ing, other words and full stop. Now here second, that is have or has. So has we use with third person singular. Has we use with third person singular, and third person singular is he, she, it or any third person singular. That is any third person singular subject, that is the part of third person singular. So with third person singular we use has, and with all other persons we use have. I think it is clear to you. So I repeat the sentence structure. First, subject, have or has, then been, then verb with ing, other words and full stop. Now see the examples of present perfect progressive tense. First, she has been serving in the hospital since 2005. She has been serving in the hospital since 2005. If we have to understand it, then see, since 2005. In perfect tenses we use the preposition since and for. Since, point of time, and for we use to show duration of time. since 2005. So she started serving in the hospital in 2005, and the action of serving, it is continuing up to present. For that we have used present perfect continuous tense. See, subject, helping verb, has been, verb with ing, other words. She has been serving in the hospital since 2005. The sentence, it is in present perfect progressive tense. Next, I have been teaching in BBPS since 2017. It means I started to teach in Bal Bharati Public School in 2017. So the action started in the past and the action still continued in present. So to express that, I have to use present perfect continuous tense. And as I have to use present perfect continuous tense, so I have to follow the sentence structure. So I, subject, have been, helping verb, teaching, verb with ing, and other words and full stop. I have been teaching in BBPS since 2017. See the last example. You have been studying in BBPS for 7 years. Here students, 7 years, it is time duration, and that is why I have used preposition for. The action started to study in BBPS before 7 years, but the action is still continued. So to express that, I have to use present perfect progressive tense and I have to follow the sentence structure. So see, you, subject, have been, helping verb, studying, verb with ing, in BBPS for 7 years, other words. So this is the explanation of present perfect progressive tense. The action started in the past and still continue. To express such action, we use present perfect progressive tense or present perfect continuous tense. Thank you.